Okay people, so where are we? We're on Leeds Road. We're now heading on to Bradford Road. We're on our driving test. The examiner's asked me to turn right, third exit at the roundabout, or I've been asked to follow the sign for Leeds, or I'm not on my driving test and I'm making my way to Leeds. So we're looking at our mirrors, adjust our speed. The speed limit is 3030. We're in the correct lane. The signpost on the left, sign marker, is telling us Leeds, third exit. Before we panic, we're looking at the floor markings, which are telling us that we can turn right from this lane. We're looking at the sign on the right. It's telling us, in fact, what's it telling us? You tell me what it's telling us. So that sign that you've seen on the right, tell me what it means. In the meantime, we're going round the roundabout. We will signal right, so we'll click the signal on now. We'll remain in this lane. We'll follow the road round. We'll look at the floor markings, and as a clue, we'll follow the grey car ahead of us. We're now looking our left door mirror and come into our lane. And there we are, guys. Still 30, and the reason why it's 30 is because the road works. However, your sat-nav might show 70. And there we are, guys. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and take your time doing it. If you're going to go wrong, make sure you understand what you're doing and do it safely. Thank you for watching. Right people, so where are we? We're in Leeds, and we're certainly not on the B6155, or are we? So are we on the B6155? I'll let you guys decide. We're following the road ahead, and for those that know, we'll soon come onto a slip road. So we're following the road ahead. We're travelling at a safe speed. The current speed limit is 30. So we're going to follow the road ahead. We're now going to check our mirrors, and we'll now signal right. We'll gently increase our speed. We're looking at our mirrors, and then when it's safe, we come on to the carriageway. You're on your driving test, especially in Thornbury. You'll be turning off here. So you'd look in your mirrors, you'd signal left, and you would not go into it yet. You'd look in your left door mirror, you'd look in your left door mirror again, and where that line is there, where that arrow is, look in your left mirror, you'd come in. Also notice the speed limit drops to 40 as you're going in from 50. Thank you for watching.